What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best selfie stick tripods in 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. If you want to save some money and still get a product of decent quality, we say check out the Vproof Selfie Stick Bluetooth, also known as the best budget selfie stick tripod on the market in 2022. This model sports an innovative design. It can be folded very easily to a length of 6.5 inches. When you want to extend it, it'll give you a length of up to 26 inches, which is really cool. Also, it boasts quite good workmanship and a solid design, especially when the price is taken into account. The device is constructed from aluminum alloy with an anode surface treatment. Thanks to this antioxidant material, this selfie stick is very durable and strong, while the black surface is resistant to scratches. Also, it's easy to clean and does not have any unpleasant smell. Vproof Selfie Stick Bluetooth is universal, so it'll fit with any device and it's quite easy to use. It'll provide you with perfect compatibility with most iPhone and Samsung smartphones, as well as most other brands of phones. Also, thanks to the compact design, it's quite convenient to carry and light, so you can easily carry it with you everywhere. Since this model comes down to just 6.5 inches, you can carry it in any small bag or in your pocket. Vproof Selfie Stick Bluetooth also has a replaceable battery. It's powered by a high-quality 65 mAh battery, which means it'll provide you with about 10,000 selfies. This means that you can enjoy up to 20 to 25 hours of recording, which you'll agree is more than enough. On the other hand, if you put the selfie stick in standby mode, the battery can last more than 30 days. The product comes in the size of 6.53 by 1 inches, while its weight is 0.26 pounds. For the listed price, we're thoroughly impressed. If you're searching for the top bang for the buck, we say check out the Fugetek 51 Professional Selfie Stick Tripod, also known as the best value selfie stick tripod on the market in 2022. As the name suggests, this device is aimed at folks in need of professional selfies. It should be noted that you can connect not only smartphones, but also GoPro cameras and DSLR cams. You can take photos, videos, TikTok content, and more. The Fugetek 51 Professional Selfie Stick Tripod comes with a very stable and sturdy camera stand that's compatible with both Android and iPhone phones. When you want to extend it, you can easily do so up to 56 inches, and it also has a non-slip rubber handle. The device is easy to use and saves you time just one click away. Also, this new version from 2022 comes with removable Bluetooth remote control. This means you'll be able to take videos and photos from up to 100 feet away. The controller will provide you with a generous number of 100,000 photos. So in plain terms, this means you'll be able to use it for 3 to 5 years. Also, the remote is very easily mounted on the handle. Furthermore, there's a built-in tripod that'll help you extend the non-slip legs to such an extent that you'll get a selfie stick that does the job independently. As for the build quality, the Fugetek 51 is made of 100% aluminum, as well as non-slip feet, so you don't have to worry about reliability and safety. Finally, it should be noted that the Fugetek 51 comes in black. It has a size of 16.89 by 3.31 by 2.05 inches, while its weight is 1.01 pounds, so it's decently portable. For the listed price, you can't beat this one. The next product we'll talk about on our review list for today is the GoPro 3-Way 2.0, which by all accounts has quite rightly taken the title of the best GoPro selfie stick tripod available on the market in 2022. The GoPro 3-Way 2.0 is a highly valued accessory that reduces the number of connectors that you can carry for your videos. The original 3-way mount had a tripod option in its handle. You take it out, screw it into the bottom of the handle, and you're set. But it isn't a very sturdy tripod, which limits its usefulness for long shots like time-lapse. The 3-Way 2.0 update ditches that design in favor of a more robust option. The bottom of the handle now splits into tripod mode, with 3 larger, heavier legs supporting the handle. You'll still have a selfie stick mode that benefits from a hinged design that you can use to hide the pole from your shots. It also supports direct capture mode, perfect for long sessions that might otherwise tire your hand. But the improved tripod isn't the only upgrade on display. The grip now uses a clip mount instead of the old finger mount. You'll need the other half of the clip mount to attach the GoPro to the 3-way, but GoPro cameras usually come with it. And thanks to the new design, moving your GoPro 3-way to other accessories should be easier. And just below the mount is a new ball joint that will allow you to rotate the camera or rotate it 360 degrees so you can get that perfect shot. Pull out the tripod and take advantage of the stable platform for shooting sequences, group shots, and more. The 3-in-1 grip Tripod and extension arm give you plenty of shooting options, so you'll be able to enjoy yourself. GoPro 3-Way 2.0 comes in black color and has a size of 8.66 by 8.66 by 2.17 inches, while its weight is 8 ounces. With this, we've rounded up all the important features of this product, so now we can move on to the next review. Up next, we present to you the DJI OM 5, which grabbed the title of the best stabilizer selfie stick tripod available on the market in 2022. High-end smartphones can offer incredibly impressive in-camera stabilization, but for everyone looking for smooth cinematic camera movements and more creative control, nothing compares to a dedicated mechanical gimbal. DJI's latest Osmo Mobile 3-axis gimbal does just that, taking proven design and greatly optimizing the experience. The new OM 5 is thinner and lighter than its predecessor, folds less, and now has a telescoping selfie stick for added flexibility. You get a 3-axis folding gimbal with a built-in selfie stick, magnetic phone clamp, twistable tripod stand, carrying bag, and wrist strap. The gimbal itself is a thin handle made of a mixture of metal and high-quality plastic with various rubber elements. There are 6 physical controls located on the handle, including a joystick, a zoom slider, a record button, and a switch that toggles between cameras. You can also rotate between horizontal and vertical recording modes and select objects to track directly from the handle. The adjustable magnetic phone clamp allows you to easily attach your smartphone, and the built-in telescopic extension bar can be extended up to 215 millimeters, with an adjustable angle of up to 90 degrees at the bottom of the phone holder. When not in use, the gimbal folds neatly for storage. The OM 5 works in conjunction with DJI's Mimo iOS and Android smartphone app. However, these changes were not made without compromise. A slimmer body combined with a handle that must include an extension pull has resulted in a much smaller battery. While the OM 4 offers up to 15 hours of charging, the OM 5's battery is more than half to just 6.5 hours. But overall, with its slimmer and lighter design, telescoping selfie stick, and useful app additions, the DJI OM 5 is the most refined smartphone gimbal around. This model is also good value for money, with dimensions of 10.41 by 4.37 by 3.63 inches and a weight of 0.64 pounds. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. Finally, we have reached the long-awaited gold medal and the title of the best overall selfie stick tripod available on the market in 2022. And the winner is ATUMTEK 3-in-1 Bluetooth Selfie Stick Tripod. This selfie stick has proven to be a good compromise between functionality, quality, and price. It allows you to have a selfie stick of 33 inches or about 80 centimeters. Along its functions, this model can be transformed into a stick to make a support for your smartphone, a popular solution for recording vlogs, for example. The device has a very practical detachable remote control for shooting photos in tripod mode. This stand is compatible with many smartphone models. ATUMTEK 3-in-1 Bluetooth Selfie Stick Tripod has found the right recipe that combines durability and compactness. Compared to other models, the design features of this product stand out. The rubberized feet and clean shape when folded make it easy to store in a bag or even a bit of a deeper pocket. We're looking at a strong telescopic arm with anodized coating and tripod legs supported by aluminum hinges, the most durable setup yet. This selfie stick with tripod option from ATUMTEK has taken your game to the next level. The device has a phone holder design and can rotate 270 degrees, while 180 degrees gives you the perfect angle when taking photos. Of course, we must not forget the Bluetooth remote control. It'll give you full control up to 33 feet. Also, you can continuously shoot up to 15,000 photos, thanks to the built-in lithium-ion battery that can be recycled and charged. ATUMTEK 3-in-1 Bluetooth Selfie Stick Tripod is very convenient to carry and super light. When retracted, it's only 7.7 inches long. Therefore, you can easily carry it in a small purse or your pocket. In addition, it provides you with universal compatibility, and you can also use the device as a holder for a desk phone, when watching TV shows, for direct internet transmission, and more. Overall, this product delivers premium performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. So that's it for the best selfie stick tripods of 2022. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest videos.